contemporary private house designed to relax, reflect, and connect with nature. Introduction: Creating a sanctuary in a modern world. Welcome to the Decor Essence YouTube channel. In this exciting episode, we'll be exploring the art of designing a contemporary private house that serves as a sanctuary to relax, reflect, and reconnect with nature. As the world becomes busier and more chaotic, having a home that allows you to unwind and harmonize with the natural environment has never been more essential. Today, we'll dive into how modern architecture and thoughtful design elements come together to create a tranquil retreat. Be sure to subscribe for more home design inspiration, like the video, and comment below to share your thoughts on what makes a home truly peaceful. Let's get started. Seamless integration with nature, blurring the boundaries. A key feature of contemporary private house designs is their seamless integration with nature. Unlike traditional homes that often isolate the living space from the outdoors, modern designs aim to blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior. Large floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass doors, and expansive open layouts allow natural light to flood the interiors while offering unobstructed views of the landscape. The use of natural materials like stone, wood, and glass enhances this connection, making the home feel like an extension of the surrounding. minimalism and simplicity, creating space for calm. In contemporary home design, minimalism plays a significant role in creating a peaceful, reflective space. The idea is to eliminate excess, both in terms of physical objects and visual clutter. By keeping the design simple and functional, the mind is free to relax and reflect. Open concept living areas, clean lines, and neutral tones help achieve this calming effect. Furniture is chosen for its comfort and purpose, not just decoration. The simplicity of minimalist design. The importance of natural materials, embracing Earth's elements. Incorporating natural materials is a fundamental element in contemporary house design, especially when the goal is to connect with nature. Wood, stone, and glass are used throughout the home to create a sense of harmony with the outdoors. Wood, in particular, offers a warm and inviting atmosphere, whether it's in the form of natural wood floors, beams, or furniture. Stone can be used for accent walls, fireplaces, or flooring, adding texture and permanence. Glass allows for unobstructed views and natural light. Open spaces for mindful living, designing for relaxation and reflection. In modern home design, open spaces are key to promoting a lifestyle centered around relaxation and reflection. Large living rooms, open kitchens, and airy bedrooms provide the freedom to move and breathe within the home. The focus here is on functionality and flow, ensuring that spaces are not only practical but also designed for comfort. Minimal walls and partitions encourage movement and prevent the feeling of confinement. Additionally, creating outdoor living spaces, such as expansive decks, Designing for wellness, creating a holistic environment. Wellness is at the heart of contemporary home design, particularly when the goal is to create a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Homes today are designed with health and well-being in mind, incorporating elements like natural ventilation, clean air systems, and healthy materials. The use of low-VOC paints, sustainable wood, and non-toxic finishes ensures that the home's air quality remains high. Biophilic design, which incorporates natural patterns, greenery, and living plants indoors, also plays a significant role in creating smart technology for convenience and comfort. While the focus of contemporary private homes is often on simplicity and natural materials, smart technology is playing an increasingly important role in enhancing both convenience and comfort. Modern homes are equipped with smart thermostats, automated lighting, energy-efficient systems, and even integrated security. These technologies not only improve the functionality of the home but also contribute to a more comfortable living experience. Imagine controlling your home's temperature or lighting with a touch of a button, all while relaxing in your favorite chair with a view of nature. The goal is to create a space that outdoor spaces as extensions of the home, connecting with nature. In contemporary home design, outdoor living is just as important as the indoor spaces. Private homes are designed with the outdoor lifestyle in mind, with expansive terraces, patios, and gardens that invite the residents to spend time outside. Decks, pools, and fire pits offer spaces for entertainment and relaxation, while carefully curated landscaping adds beauty and tranquility. Gardens with native plants help connect the home with its natural surroundings, while providing privacy. personalized spaces, reflecting your unique lifestyle. Every person has their own way of relaxing, reflecting, and connecting with nature. Contemporary private homes reflect this diversity by offering personalized spaces that cater to the individual's needs. Whether it's a reading nook, a yoga studio, or an art studio, these spaces are designed to allow homeowners to pursue their passions and interests. Custom furniture and flexible layouts allow for personalization, ensuring that the home truly feels like an extension of the individual. This personalization promotes well-being. Conclusion: your sanctuary awaits. In conclusion, the contemporary private house design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that nurtures well-being, promotes relaxation, and provides a deep connection with nature. From open spaces and natural materials to personalized areas and eco-friendly features, every element is carefully curated to foster peace and harmony. Whether you're designing your dream home or simply looking for inspiration, embracing these principles will help create a sanctuary that nurtures both your body and soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite design element. We'd love